Have you ever seen this before? It's not the same as 2 cubed. Let me explain. 2 cubed means repeated multiplication. So 2 cubed means 2 multiplied by itself 3 times. And this gives us 8. This is known as a tetration, which means repeated exponentiation. Repeated exponentiation. Think power towers. Here is an example of a power tower. You take a number x, raise it to a power x, raise it to the power of x, raise it to the power of x, etc. So when I have this tetration, we are saying add 1, 2 to the power tower, which will just look like this. It's the base number. When I change the tetration to this, we are saying add the number 2 twice into our power tower, which will occupy these 2 positions, which will be 2 squared, which is 4. Now this tetration means 2 occupies our tower in 3 positions. It's 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. But to evaluate this, I can't do 2 squared yet because this 2 already has a power on it. So we do 2 squared, which is 4. Then 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Nice.